Hi, I'm Rupak and on this channel I've been drawing tutorials, origami tutorials and anything both interesting and cool. So today, I can't generally explain this in one word, but let me tell you, you really ought to listen to this video. So I'll be learning how to make an easy origami exploding octahedron puzzle or bomb. So this one part required to make it, like clap, yay, super, clap, like this, so I can bend like this. This like two mountains, and you require 4 of them to make this. Let me join it. Ta-da! Here it is. I actually combined it. You see, yellow. There's between 3 yellows there's 1 orange. Between 3 orange there's 1 yellow. And now the most fun part. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, there was a good explode. You're interested in how to make it? Well, let's get started. So for this you'll require 4 sheets of square paper. I would suggest you to pick two same colors, like I have picked orange and yellow. You could pick red or yellow or anything of your own choice. Or you could even make it as multicolor. And believe me, you will not use glue or sellotape or anything to just attach them together. So yeah, I have a sheet of paper. Let's start the folding. First, let's fold it diagonally into half. Crease it well. Now you can just unfold it and then fold it in the opposite direction as well. So that's one important thing that you got to follow while doing this origami, is that make sure your creases are well, good and sharp. So I'm just creasing it. Now you could see 2 lines intersecting at a common point, right? You could take this flap and fold it right towards it and crease it well. Let's repeat this step in the all the 4 sides. Crease, crease, and crease. Now turn it over and again repeat the same. Crease it. All should go to the center point. Make sure it's equal. Crease it well. And yes, crease it. And now comes the real folding part of it. So now you can see 4 squares here, 1, 2 and 3, 4. You can see a flap here. Just fold it like this. All the 4 squares. So to like form a diamond or a square both. Yeah, a square or look like this, or rhombus maybe, to be accurate. Now, you can see this flap, right? You could bring this to the edge. Let it align with this edge to be more clear. Crease it well. Now turn it over and fold it like this. Crease it. So we have 2 folds here. Now just holding it like this, bring it forward like this. Bring this fold forward like this. So you could see like a kind of cone here, maybe congruent to this and congruent to this. You could see this flap, right? Fold it like this and crease it, and bring this flap and crease it. Yes friends, now you could see a diamond here forming. You could see. Yeah. Now what I'm going to do is just, you see I'm pushing it up like this. You could see a line emerging, just crease it. That is, it's the center line for the diamond as well as the paper. Crease it. Crease it well. Now gently unfold it. Now turn it. Turn it and bring this entire part upwards like this, and again crease it. So if it's like this, right? Using your hand, just separate it and bring this part towards the center part. So this fold is quite similar to the origami ball balloon which I previously uploaded. So to check that, click right here. Yeah, now let's continue this origami. Just bring it like this. See, like this. and now gently using your hands pull this part out like this. So in the all directions, 1, 2, and it's the third, fold it out, and the last fourth. I brought everything out, so you can see like it's kind of a star box maybe. And now just you could see a center crease here, right? Just crease it like this. And all the 4. You need not do any extra folds for this. Now just press the folds and break them all together like this, and then crease it well. Crease it for like a kind of chair or maybe, and just now open it, crease it well, and then open. So you could see a flap outside here, right? That part should go inside this. Let me show you. I just fold it again like this. Let me show it again. Just open it all these 4 sides. So just going to repeat the folds, but I'm just going to skip one fold. That is, instead of creasing here, directly going to do one step. As I told previously, you can see a crease outside and outside. I'm just going to push it in like this. So actually I'll tell you, if you're trying first and you could see some line emerging and you couldn't push it, the reason is just flap, just crease, fold it behind, and you'll automatically able to push it like this. And similarly on the other side, let's push. Yeah, like this. And so we have the one part required to make our exploding octahedron puzzle. And you see, yeah, this is actually the most coolest part. I like it. Tack, 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 tack. So even use it as a mountain like this, maybe a mountain. And then 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yeah, we have 4 now. Let me tell you the assembling part of it. So there are actually many methods to like connect it together. I'll just tell you 2 of them. First, take the 2 colors that you have used. First, the orange I'm taking. Let me take this orange first. Next, take an yellow color. So far I'm keeping the connecting side facing the topwards and the similar connecting side facing this side. So what I'm going to do is that align this and this like this. So you could see it's forming a diagonal line, and the other side is like this. So to understand this concept more clearly, let me tell you one thing. So now we have 1 yellow, 2 yellow. So we'll require an yellow here. So let's take it, and you could see a line here, right? You could keep it like this, aligning with it, and if you turn it, you could see a gap here. So that should be an orange. So here, that should be an orange. Now let's take the final orange, and you could see like this, right? The part where you could go like this you could do. Just bring it in center of it. Oh, that's great. 3, 2, 1. Hey, it fell in other side. Let me do it again. 3, 2, and 1. Hey, that was fun. So you could like throw it and have lots of fun with it, or you could just use it individually like this. Yay! So now this is another part. If you want to use it as a hanging or something like that, let me tell you, there are 2 to 3 steps to join them together. First, this is step that I told you, right? Like aligning them to form a diagonal line. You could use a rubber band and tighten it. Don't just press it too much, it will crush your origami. And rubber band around this. Similarly, like this, and you could just link it and tie a knot. And you could hang it anywhere you want. I could just simply hang this part. If you feel that you don't want to use rubber bands, too many rubber bands, you could just make the final model and then entirely cover it like one center part alone with wool, and then hang it anywhere you want. So friends, hey, it's really also fun to play with. You could even like like many more like this, 10 or something like that, and start a game where you want to build like this. Oh, that's great. Let me show here it is. I have formed a tower with them, so you could use how many you want and start a game of this tower and challenge that try to build more tower than me. Yes. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and do stay tuned for more videos. You can click right here to subscribe to my channel. Click right here to check out the origami flash video, and click right here to check out my playlist of origami toys. So catch you later in the next video. Until then, bye bye.